Good morning, AI. We're going to talk today about some artificial intelligence, AI, using some different tools and how to use that to kind of train it to help you become the best at your business and to get leads. Very simple, easy steps. If you just follow the steps, I'm going to give you 10 top producing prompts. If you follow these steps, you're going to get leads and you'll be able to start producing forward and moving, having content, having ads already done. Everything will already be done for you. And we'll walk kind of through it today, show you how it answers, kind of works, the way it may kind of work like that. Now, before you do, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so for the channel so you can be part of the family and follow along. Anyway, you're going to continue to knock this out. So the first thing is I'm going to show you this. So this document, I put it together so it's all in one place, all the best 10 prompts. And then the first thing you have to let ChatGPT or whatever AI you use, you want to make sure it has an understanding about your business. So like it says, the first thing you want to do is ask at least 25 detailed questions to deeply understand all these parts of my business and use any response to form a complete internal understanding of my business. And based on that, and once I've answered, you're going to tell it, okay, you're going to ask about my business, learn my business, then you're going to act as my dedicated AI content strategist, copywriter, and marketing partner, creating assets perfectly aligned with my goals and voice. See, this is what they're going to use as your baseline. So you got to take the time to do these questions correct and answer it, and then it's going to be your baseline. Once you have that, you're going to create 90 engaging content ideas. Now it says, like right here, create a list of 90 engaging, lesser known facts related to, and this is going to be your content topic or niche in random order. So I could do, like, this is a real estate channel a lot. So I could talk about, first time home buyers. I could do it again for homes, making the most money when selling your home. Anything like that would fit in here. And again, it says each point should be educational, insight driven, directly tied to my experience, written in a conversational, captivating tone, etc., etc. Make sure your goal is to educate, engage, and attract my clients by showing deep expertise. So then it's going to do that. Now that I have what it understands, I have engaging content ideas. I got 90 engaging content ideas. If you do one a day, that's 3 months. If you do every other day, you have 6 months. So you have a lot of content right there. The next phase is your complete content calendar. So right now, you understand your ideas, your goals, you have a content scheduled, and you can choose your blog, whichever one you blog, and then you're going to ask it to focus on this. And here's a whole bunch of different ones you want to post so many times per week, etc., etc. You're going to tell it what you want it to do. I recommend, if you're going to do a lot of social media, at least 3 times a week, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Pick some times you want to have enough engagement. Like in YouTube, when I do my YouTube videos, as you're seeing, Tuesday, Thursdays are a lot of my YouTube videos. Pick some days and do the same every week. Make sure you put them out there, have them ready to go. If you miss, just put another one up and just try to catch up. Not a big deal. And then right here, if you want to, you can use those 90 days that it just gave you as your content. So it's going to go through, it's going to put together the whole calendar and have it ready to go. Now that you know what it wants, you know what it is, you have your calendar, this is a very important, if you're going to work with buyers, or it could be a seller, same thing, persona with pain points. Need or pain, you have to overcome that. So again, you're going to tell what type of industry, it's more in here, what type of industry, the product, the market, and then you're going to include all this information. And then you're going to think, what are these people worried about? This is what it's going to include, sorry. When you give it this information, it's going to give you this information back. And they said they'll use these for targeted ads, content, etc., etc. So now that it has these targeted pain points and gives it to you, for example, first-time home buyer, they might not have enough for a down payment. They might need credit help. They might not have the education of how to buy a home. All those things will come into effect here. And then the next section, we're going to write a high converting targeted ad. And then you're going to say, again, write it for whatever. You're going to pick in the same product for market, and you're going to follow these objections. And then you're going to keep going. And then you're going to, after that, so now you have your ad. You have your ideas, you have 90 posts and what your business is. Now we're going to kick over to a blog post. And then you're going to add this right here. You're going to create 2 tables, etc., etc. You can read that as well as I can. And you're going to make sure that you do it with a strong conclusion and 5 frequently asked questions to answer. And then you're going to give them the title of the blog. So it could say, top issues first-time home buyers face, how to sell your home, how to make the most money when selling your home. It could be anything like that. You're going to go through it. It's going to be able to do that. And then this is a very important one. Once you've done that, if you start getting there and you're like, okay, I want to write some other stuff, I want it to sound like me. Upload something that you've written or text or spoken or anything like that, another video, upload it, and then it's going to analyze that, the rhythm, tone, the emotional, all that kind of stuff. We all talk certain ways, we use certain things when we speak, all that's going to come into effect. And you're going to turn that in there. So once you're in there and you're doing that, that's going to be part of your prompt. It's going to take that, your stone, your tile, your style, your voice, your authentic you, and put that into your next videos. And then you're going to write product description. You're going to tell it, go ahead and write me a product description. And you're going to tell it what the product is. And then once you answer, make sure, like I said, a persuasive description that makes potential customers feel they need to purchase it. And then they're going to focus on emotions, transformation, and urgency. They have to feel it, they have to want it, they want to transform, and they want to do it. And then here is 10 more captivating hooks for ads and content. If you want to do short, quick hooks, and you're going to be able to go through again, bold statements, emotional, intriguing facts. This is just another great way when you paste these to get them. And then after that, you can tell it to write you an Instagram carousel. And then here it is, write a slide by slide Instagram carousel for whatever topic. Insert slide titles and example text for whatever you're writing. And then suggest an image per slide. And it's going to help you go through and do that whole Instagram slide content. And remember, everything should understand the voice, engage, target audience. So if you go through these steps and you start at 1, you're learning the business, everything about you and your business is building ideas to help you think of, okay, this is what I can prep. I can go for the next 90 days or whatever, or 6 months if you're going to do one every other day. Here's a content calendar. I'm going to do a buyer persona. This way you can go through and learn who you're looking for, or a seller persona, for example, anything like that. And then you're going to write converting ads, and you can see it all follows the steps. If you just go down the steps and just follow it along and go down and make it happen and do each step separately, you're going to be good, and it's going to build you a bunch of tools, a bunch of powerful opportunities that you can use it, and ways you can make it work to help you in your business. We want you to succeed. If you have any more questions, please reach out. Talk to you in the next video.